Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, as you guys can see, we're doing this video on this HyperGear car vent phone holder selling for $9.99 at TJ Maxx. If you guys got this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether this is a decent item or not. You guys already know there are a ton of different car holders out there. TJ Maxx, Burns Co Factory, Marshall's got like a whole entire section of just different car holders, different stuff for your phone in your car. Now, I have to be honest with you about these vent holders. If you guys have this, drop a comment in the comment section. Definitely let us know whether these are decent or not. From my personal experience, I've come across these where if you're using your phone, if you're trying to find something to hold your phone, I'm constantly getting the phone out of the holder itself, constantly taking the phone out of the phone holder itself, doing a ton of stuff. Every time I go somewhere after I stop the car, I need to take the phone out. Now, I personally think that the magnetic ones are a lot better than these, because these you'd actually have to manually close it, manually open it. Me personally, I just think it's a pain in the butt. But if you're on a long trip or whatever, and you actually just need a car holder to just hold the phone itself for hours on end, I guess this wouldn't be a bad buy. So, as you guys can see, it says flexible positioning, easy one-handed operation, universal case friendly mount. It's got a dash windshield mount as well. And I gotta tell you, those suction cup windshield mounts aren't the best thing, because they eventually always fall off. If I'm wrong on this, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how I'm wrong on this, because I haven't really had one of these suction cup mounts that's on the window, on the dash, that just didn't fall off. And I just really don't know how the hell people suction it onto the dash, because a lot of times the dashboard isn't really just smoothed out plastic or smoothed out, whatever the material that's made of. There's always some tiny little bumps on there that keeps it from actually suctioning it. But let me know how you guys do it, because I've tried it a couple of times. It really doesn't work. And also, some of these dash mounts actually have whatchamacallit, they're like glue. They give you a little sticker to stick on there. Not glue, but tape. It's held in by tape. It's supposedly really strong tape, and it holds when you initially put it in there. And they want you to keep it like that, without putting any kind of weight on you, your phone on there for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hours or something like that. To me, I've tried it, and they eventually always fall off, because the dash will always, particularly during the summer, the spring, it'll always get real hot. And the tape that they give you to pop on there will eventually fall off. Anyway, good thing about these is there's always a huge selection of these. Always a huge selection of these, so you can always pick out a ton of these different. They got stuff that suctions onto the windshield, specifically stuff that suctions on the dash, magnets on the vents, cup holders. You can connect to the cup holders. In any case, If I had to choose between this or the magnetic ones that plugs into the vents, I would get the magnetic ones that plug into the vents. Those are the ones that I've used. I'm pretty sure I actually bought one of these before and have used it. They weren't that great, only for the reason that only because of the reason I mentioned, that you're constantly having to I mean, it says one touch. It works like with one touch, but to be honest with you, you're gonna have to use your hand to push on the two guards in and then push it out just to get the phone out. And it becomes an annoying thing when you do a lot of you're gonna park, you're gonna get out, you're gonna take your phone with you, all that stuff just becomes a really, really annoying thing. But it's like $9.99, so how can you go wrong with $9.99? Worst case scenario, you could always return and stuff like that. But in any case, I hope this has helped you guys out. You guys are looking to buy this. And if you guys want to leave a comment in the comment section, definitely leave a comment in the comment section about your own personal experiences with this product. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.